गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। टुडे आई विल डिस्कस, मैंने आज सुबह में ही अपलोड किया था। आप लोगों को पता ही होगा कि सुबह में मैंने 8 चैप्टर द स्टोलन बाइसिकल्स अपलोड किया था। एंड अभी 7th चैप्टर द सीक्रेट ऑफ द मशीन्स, इट्स अ पोएम। मैं आपको पोएम लास्ट में बता दूंगा, पहले अभी क्वेश्चन आंसर पे फोकस करते हैं। फोकस ऑन क्वेश्चन आंसर। The secret of the machine is the chapter. Question. Answer this question with reference to the context. Some water, coal, and oil is all we ask, and a thousands of inch to give us play. इसी के आधार पर क्वेश्चन दिए जाएंगे। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, who is we in this line? In this line we refers to machines. In these lines we refers to machine. Second line, Why do they need water, coal and oil? क्यों उसे वाटर, कोल और ऑयल चाहिए? They need water, coal and oil for the proper functioning of the part of machines. Third question, I think it's the last question. What do they mean by to give us play? It means that those tools are used for 5 measurement and design. I have completed answer to the reference to the context, and section B I will show you. Just wait. I am saying, and I will upload computers chapter soon. Answer these questions. What is the nine-necked city? Why is it monstrous? Answer. It is referred to Mountaineer, a high-speed luxury passenger ship launched in 1906. It describes as monstrous because it was the world's biggest passenger ship at that time. आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा होगा, आप कमेंट कर सकते हैं कि आप ये फोटो आप दोबारा कीजिए, आइदर एक्सेट्रा। सही रहा। Second question, which stanza shows us that the machines have mastered almost all the common human activities? Answer. In second stanza, आप सेकंड स्टेंजा पे जाके देख सकते हैं पोएम का। तब भी इन सेकंड स्टेंजा इज द आंसर। वी कैन पुल एंड हॉल एंड पुश एंड लिफ्ट एंड ड्राइव। वी कैन प्रिंट एंड प्लॉव एंड वीव एंड हीट एंड लाइट। वी कैन रन एंड रेस एंड स्विम एंड फ्लाई एंड डाइव। वी कैन सी एंड हियर एंड काउंट एंड रीड एंड राइट। थर्ड क्वेश्चन, what action are the machines incapable of doing? Machines cannot detect life. Besides, machines are not built to love or hate its owner or anyone. Thus machines, I think, इसके next page में होंगे। I will say, just wait. And कंप्यूटर के साथ हिंदी भी मैं सोच रहा हूँ कर दूंगा। Okay, come to the point. अभी वही चलेगी ना। Thus the machines are emotionless and have no feeling and can be dangerous if not handled properly. ये तो सही बात है। आप लोगों ने रोबोट मूवी में भी देखा होगा कि आगे आप ही लोग को पता है। Which line tells us that for very little input the machines are able to provide service to humans? Answer. I think ये भी है आपकी बुक से ही, मतलब की पोएम से। Some water, coal and oil is all we ask, and a thousand of an inch to give us play. And now if you will set us to our task, we will serve you 4 and 20 hours a day. And it's the last question. It's a last question. Sorry, it's not a last question. It's last second question. It's a question number 5. Which two opposing claims do the machines make the poor? Two opposing claims to the machines make the poems are: we are everything on earth except the gods. We are nothing more than children of your brain. Last questions. Which lines tells us all powerful natures of the machines? Answer. We are greater than the peoples or the kings. Be humble as you crawl beneath our rods. Our touch can alter all created things. We are everything on earth except the gods. ये बात सही है. This is completed. This is Unit 3 Science Section 8 chapter. बाकी की मैंने कर दिया है. And I will start. Okay. Just and now I will say you poem. जो सी सी इट्स द सीक्रेट ऑफ द मशीन. आपको अच्छी सी दिखेगी तो सही बात होगी. द सीक्रेट ऑफ द मशीन मैं छोटी में ही दिखा रहा. द सी as stanza I will think that I will upload poems meaning another day. And poet Rudyard Kipling. So have a nice day and I will upload all chapters soon. And the Llama chapter I also upload. But you should subscribe my channel and have a nice day to all.